going on damage and this. So I finally made it to Buffalo Wild Wings. How many days later? Look at all of that. Them habanero, how that thing. Then I got hot and mild. I love chicken, so y'all. I got some wedges and I got some celery and carrots. As you can see, almost gone. But that's what I got off the chain. Off the chain. That moment you realize you gotta sit for a minute because you might have ate too much. and my appetite been bogus lately anyway. Y'all see how bad my skin broke out. That's supposedly, that's what insulin do to me. But hopefully I go back to the doctor on the 13th and they tell me you are officially back off of it. Cause it even got me gaining weight. And my appetite been crazy, so I'm trying to figure out how the heck I'm gaining weight. But yeah, that moment you realize you ate too darn gone much and you gotta sit down and get your bearings and thank the Lord. I mean, I'm steady breaking out. So yeah, that's what's going on. I just put on some eyeliner because I was like, I didn't want to put on too much. Hope y'all can hear me. Put too much on my face because of that. So yeah, so I'm about to get on up out of here. And I guess it's called non-stop in November, not a video a day in November, but whatever. Y'all should be able to see one from me every day in November. Alright, y'all, holla back. Mama getting her car clean, huh? It was dirty as hell. It's been raining like crazy in Chicago. So yeah, she looks so pretty, don't she? Yeah. So you guys would like to see a car, what's it called? Tour? Let me know. The blue one is mine, the Beamer. Alright. Look how disrespectful the bird is. You get your car washed and that's what the bird do to you. Boo-boo on the doggone windshield. Child. Alright, I'm out. Look at that skyline. That skyline is everything. So beautiful, right? Chicago. What's going on, diamonds and gents? This your girl, Miss Trey at Gym. Actually on my way to prayer. This is Friday. Starting my weekend vlog. I was supposed to go out with a friend, but that fell through. I don't know. But anyway, I'm headed. Let me see. My purse is the passenger. I'm heading on my way to prayer tonight. Yeah. I guess I need some Jesus, huh? All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Let y'all know how it went. All right. Yeah, I'm leaving prayer. About to go to Mr. Submarine and get me something to eat. Your girl is hungry. Y'all, Mr. Submarine is the best subs in the world. Let me just go ahead and say God bless that thing. Yes, he did. All right. Yeah, so I may show y'all this sub, man. This sub is anointed. Hallelujah. See, when you come from church, you're supposed to be saved, sanctified, filled. All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Hey, guys. Say hey. Say hey, man. This is my nephew, my twin. Give me a kiss. Hey. Let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next I want you to sing with me. Yay! Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are. Yay! And he's only 2, guys. So imagine what you can teach a baby if you just keep repetitively every day doing it. Say cheese.
Cheese.
All right, y'all.